In this video, we're going to teach you how to use the adjustments in Gravity. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make adjustments in the hypercubes. You can also see in the top left that we have a feature to adjust by general ledger. Adjustments in the general ledger are displayed in mapping and flow to all other cubes where the same reporting fund exists. Adjustments by hypercube are displayed only in the pivots and do not flow into other cubes. The adjustments are a way of shifting dollar amounts between funds or different departments in a way that truly reflects your budget or your ACFR. To make an adjustment, we're going to go to a hypercube, open the hypercube, and click on the adjustment menu. In the adjustment menu, we will see here that we can adjust by cube or adjust by general ledger. For the purposes of this video, however, we're going to be adjusting by cube. There are two types of adjustments we could make. An adjustment is a double-sided journal entry. A rounding is a single-sided journal entry. Let's make an adjustment, and let's say that in 2023 we had to buy new vehicles for $150,000, but general fund was paying $75,000 while it was being billed out of personnel services, for instance. So what we would do is show, well, general fund is going to pay half of it. It will always be to personnel services, an adjustment. Now what we have to do is enter the amount that was paid. So we would paid $75,000, but this is leaving the account, so we would make it negative. Click Save. Now we have to add the counterbalance, since this is a double-sided journal entry. We could then choose whichever fund or department. So we're going to say here special revenue then earned the $75,000 to be spent on the vehicles. We click Save. Now we see here that we are able to post these transactions since the amount equals 0. Let's click Post the transactions. Now if we clear out our filters up here, we will see that we have both of these entries in our books now. These will appear as mapped out in our reports, showing that $75,000 was added to special revenue, while $75,000 was deducted from general. If we needed to make changes to this, we can right-click on these adjustments and click Edit Transaction. This will bring both entries down into the Pending Adjustments panel to be edited. Edit an adjustment, we can click Edit, and then change the amounts, and then click Save. If we wanted to remove these transactions, we can click on the Delete button here while they are in the Pending Adjustments panel. One thing to note about adjustments is that only the person who created the adjustment can post it. To figure out who posted the adjustment, we can click on Column Chooser and scroll all the way to the bottom, click Administration. Now we find the scroll bar and move over here. We see on the far right that we have found out that IGM Support made these transactions on June 27th, 2025. Seeing that we want to keep these changes, let's click Post, and now you know exactly how to make adjustments in your hypercubes.